Hi there, it's me again, Adele, and today's video is gonna be about banana peels. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, of course. Thank you. So, banana peels. Banana peels contain 42% potassium and approximately 3% phosphorus, along with nutrients like calcium, iron and magnesium. This makes them incredibly efficient for plants to grow well. Let's look at how you can make banana peel tea quickly. According to a report by University in Indonesia, banana peels help the plant to achieve better growth, height, and increase the number of leaves. So our first recipe is going to be for houseplant growers. Let's get to it. Cut 7 to 8 banana peels into small pieces using scissors or a knife. Once done, boil them in 1 liter of water for 3 to 5 minutes. Let it cool down and then strain the solution. Alternatively, you can also store the banana peels in a jar full of water for 3 to 4 weeks. Dilute 1 part of this solution with 2 parts of water and use it to water your houseplants like pothos, hosta, caladium, bromeliads, ficus species, dun canes, crotons, and philodendrons to make them greener, colorful, and flowerful. I suggest you to use it once in 3 to 5 weeks. You can also apply it as a foliar spray. If you love growing flowers, here's a bloom booster recipe for you. Leave 7 to 8 banana peels in the sun for 3 to 4 days till they are dry. Grind them in a mixer to make a fine powder. Mix 6 to 8 tablespoons of banana peel powder and 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and stir well. Use it on annuals, roses, African violets, peace lily, anthurium, camellia, crown of thorns, orchids, flowering succulents, and azaleas for more blooms. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and corn benefit the most from this recipe. Use it on all of your houseplants. Some of the common ones would be pothos, philodendrons, snake plant, monstera, ferns, and English ivy to add more color to their foliage while making them lush. Most flowers like roses, calancho, begonia, genarium, azalea, and impatiens also benefit from it. Any unusual fertilizers you're using in your garden, do let us know in the comments. And I hope you liked our video, and I'll see you later. Bye! Thanks for watching.